All right, welcome into the show. Got a little something to show off today. So I showed this last night. Yeah, lost some petals, I guess, in the wind or whatever. But what matters is that part in there, be pollinated and whatnot. But it all matters, but you know what I mean. Anyways, it's still intact. I'm happy about that. But these are flowers, obviously. This is my Meyer lemon tree. I'll show that in a minute. But I waited 4 years for this thing to flower, which means it's gonna fruit soon, and it's pretty damn exciting. I made a video. I checked the records 3 days ago, actually mentioning that, wondering why my Meyer lemon tree hadn't flowered. I said I was going to go inside and Google it. I forgot to do that, but 3 days later, it just popped up. So there you go, there's one right there. And the one from last night actually opened up. Put up a video about that. Last night it was like a little white, it looked like a jelly bean. Basically, it hadn't opened yet. And like it's blurring the wrong thing. The AI is focusing on the leaves and blurring the flower. I want the flower. But there it is. Anyway, that's going to be the thumbnail, but that one's opened up today. I wouldn't lose its petals, but it's a pretty windy day, as you can see, everything's swaying. But I think it'll be all right. But the good news about that, I mentioned that last night, is, now that we have one, that means a bunch of them are just going to start popping up. I haven't seen any more yet. Did a 360 check of it last night. I haven't seen anything, but I think it's going to take off soon, probably near the end of summer. But I'm actually going to leave it outside this winter. I think I read before you can leave them outside. They're hardy, but I just take everything in the winter. I think I'm done doing that, though. In the past, I've taken everything in, formed a massive indoor garden because I get paranoid that, some of this stuff isn't going to make it. But I think this year, everything that's hardy, like the cherry trees and whatnot, you get to stay out here. A lot of it will go dormant anyways. But, yeah, don't want this to get too long and wrap it up. But pretty damn excited. Wait 4 years, and it's finally flowering for me. So next step is having some big, beautiful, delicious Meyer lemons. And I just hope it takes off. But I love looking at these little white flowers. I never thought it was going to flower. I was prepared to be disappointed, like my bananas that never fruit. But I'm in Tennessee. That's why they don't fruit. But you can very much grow lemons in Tennessee. But everything's looking good. And hope it keeps it up. But that's it. All right. Love you. See ya. God bless. Grow something. And get excited about some lemons.